The Claude Architect exam tests whether you can design systems that work in the real world, not just on a whiteboard. This course walks you through every domain, from deciding when an agent is even the right answer, through multi-agent topologies, tool design, context management, and the 6 exam scenarios you'll face. By the end, you'll have built the 4 systems the exam guide asks for, and you'll know exactly how to handle any scenario they throw at you. Module 0, understand the exam format, scoring, and domain weights so you study what matters. Module 1, classify systems as agent, workflow, or conversational and justify the simplest solution. Module 2, break a problem into agent-sized tasks, pick an execution pattern, and handle mid-plan failures. Module 3, build an orchestrator with scoped subagents and handoff context without leaks. Module 4, resolve real configuration conflicts across enterprise, user, and project levels. Module 5, create reusable /commands, skills with trigger descriptions, and delegate to subagents. Module 6, run Claude Code headless in CI, enforce rules with hooks, and choose the right execution mode. Module 7, design system prompts as interface contracts and apply few-shot and chain of thought where they pay off. Module 8, define output contracts, validate them in code, and extract structured data reliably. Module 9, size tools correctly, write descriptions that change model behavior, and return actionable error flags. Module 10, decide where the MCP server boundary belongs, choose a transport, and distribute tools with tool choice. Module 11, set a context budget, compact conversations without losing the thread, and load context just in time. Module 12, extract the binding constraint from a customer support scenario and defend your design against challenges. Module 13, tackle a second scenario with a different constraint and identify what changed from scenario A. Module 14, write the agentic loop against stop reason and separate model-driven from pre-configured control. Module 15, spawn subagents with the task tool, pass context explicitly, and write goal-shaped coordinator prompts. Module 16, gate tools behind prerequisites, compile actionable handoffs, and decompose multi-concern messages. Module 17, normalize tool output with post-tool use hooks and block policy violations with interception hooks. Module 18, resume, fork, or start fresh and re-enter a session without paying for full re-exploration. Module 19, pick the right built-in tool and recover when edit cannot find a unique anchor. Module 20, diagnose hierarchy failures and break up a monolithic Claude.md into modular files. Module 21, scope commands and skills correctly and configure their front matter. Module 22, write path-scoped rules and choose globs over directory-level Claude.md files. Module 23, sort tasks into plan mode or direct execution and isolate discovery with the Explore subagent. Module 24, replace pros with examples and tests, and batch or sequence feedback for refinement. Module 25, make CI output machine parsable and rerun reviews without duplicating comments. Module 26, turn vague instructions into categorical criteria and handle categories that lose trust. Module 27, decide what belongs in a batch, handle failures, and measure first pass yield. Module 28, split inconsistent reviews and review with an instance that has no memory of writing the code. Module 29, keep transactional facts out of summaries, trim tool output, and order input for long conversations. Module 30, define legitimate escalation triggers and resolve ambiguity instead of guessing. Module 31, return errors a coordinator can act on and distinguish failure from a legitimate empty result. Module 32, counteract context degradation in large codebases and design for crash recovery mid-exploration. Module 33, distrust aggregate accuracy, calibrate confidence, and sample what you automate. Module 34, carry claim source mappings through synthesis and report conflicts instead of resolving them. Module 35, work any of the 6 exam scenarios by extracting the binding constraint and choosing the proportionate fix. Module 36, build the 4 systems the exam guide requires and demonstrate each one's acceptance criteria. You now have the full map. Module 1 starts with the most fundamental decision: does this problem even need an agent? Let's get into it, along with the practice bank included in your download.